Your body has an unshakable, innate ability to heal itself, but you have forgotten how to allow it. Every single day, your physical body is performing millions of microscopic miracles. It is filtering toxins, repairing damaged tissues, regulating cell production, and fighting off external threats without you ever having to actively think about it. Your biology is hardwired for survival and perfect balance. Yet, in our modern lives, we find ourselves chronically exhausted, plagued by silent inflammation, and trapped in bodies that feel heavy and disconnected. We treat illness as a random attack from the outside, and we immediately rush to temporary external fixes. Ancient Buddhist medicine and Zen traditions look at human physical health through a completely different lens. The Buddha recognized that your body is not a machine made of isolated parts. It is an extension of your consciousness. The mind and the body are a singular, unbroken feedback loop. When your mind is constantly flooded with anxiety, unexpressed anger, and the toxic noise of modern life, your brain sends a continuous chemical alarm signal to your cells. This biological stress disrupts your body's natural defensive systems, draining your vitality. True healing does not come from forcing chemicals into your system. It comes from removing the internal friction, so your body can do the job it was naturally designed to do. To activate this deep, biological restoration, Zen monks live by 5 fundamental rules for natural health. These are not complex medical treatments. They are profound, everyday lifestyle shifts that realign your energy with the rhythms of nature. Rule 1. The principle of clean emptiness. In modern society, we are conditioned to believe that health is about consumption. We believe we need to add more supplements, eat more superfoods, or buy more wellness products. Zen medicine teaches the exact opposite. Health is not about what you add. It is about what you allow to be cleared out. The first rule of natural health is the practice of clean emptiness, specifically regarding your digestive system. Your stomach and intestines require an immense amount of your body's daily energy to process, break down, and assimilate food. When you eat constantly throughout the day, or consume heavy meals late into the night, your body's internal healing mechanisms are forced to spend all their resources on digestion. Monks traditionally practice a form of disciplined fasting, consuming their meals within a structured window and leaving their digestive tracts empty for long stretches of the day and night. When your digestive system is given a true rest, a profound biological shift occurs. Your body shifts its energy away from processing food and directs it toward internal repair. It begins a process of deep cellular cleansing, breaking down old, damaged cells and clearing away hidden inflammation. By embracing emptiness, you give your body the time and space it needs to rebuild its own foundation. Rule 2. Moving the life force energy. Stillness is the goal of the mind, but movement is the requirement of the physical body. In our current world, we spend hours sitting still in front of artificial screens, causing our physical energy to become stagnant. When your physical body does not move, your blood circulation slows down, your lymphatic system fails to drain metabolic waste, and your muscles store unresolved emotional stress. The second rule of Buddhist health is the deliberate movement of your life force energy. This does not mean engaging in exhausting, high-intensity workouts that leave your nervous system more stressed than before. It means engaging in mindful, rhythmic movement. Monks practice this through everyday activities like deep, conscious cleaning, or long, meditative walks in nature where every step is synchronized with the breath. When you move your body with complete awareness, you are literally pumping life back into areas that have become stagnant. You are forcing oxygenated blood into your deep organs, lubricating your joints, and releasing the emotional blockages that manifest as physical pain in your neck, shoulders, and lower back. Movement is the physical brush that sweeps the dust out of your biological house. Rule 3. The sanctuary of early night. Your body does not heal itself when you are awake and running after your desires. True cellular regeneration tissue repair, and brain detoxification happen exclusively during the deep, dreamless stages of sleep. The third rule of natural health is honoring the sanctuary of the early night. In the modern world, we use artificial blue light to extend the day far past its natural boundaries. We scroll through digital feeds late into the night, tricking our brains into believing the sun is still up. This delays the release of melatonin, fractures our sleep architecture, and leaves us waking up feeling old, tired, and depleted. In the monastery, the day ends when the light of the sun fades. The evening is treated as a sacred time to slow down, cool the nervous system, and prepare for surrender. To heal naturally, you must establish a strict boundary between the digital world and your resting hours. Turn off your screens at least 1 hour before you sleep. Allow your room to become dark and cool. By aligning your sleeping habits with the natural darkness of the earth, you unlock the deepest, most restorative cycles of human growth hormone and cellular repair, allowing you to wake up truly reborn. Rule 4. Flushing the emotional toxins. You can eat the cleanest food in the world and drink the purest water, but if you are constantly digesting toxic thoughts, your physical body will remain sick. Every single negative emotion you hold onto has a direct physical equivalent inside your organs. Chronic anger tightens your liver and raises your blood pressure. Constant worry destroys your digestive fire. Deep, unexpressed grief sits heavily in your chest, restricting your lungs. The fourth rule of natural health is the active flushing of emotional toxins. In Zen, emotions are viewed exactly like weather patterns. They arrive, they stay for a moment, and they must be allowed to leave. We get sick because we grip onto our emotions, turning a passing rainstorm into a permanent internal swamp. When you feel an emotion like stress or irritation rise within you during the day, do not suppress it and do not feed it with stories. Sit quietly, feel where that emotion is physically hiding in your body, and breathe directly into that tightness. As you exhale, visualize that trapped energy dissolving out through your skin. Do not carry today's mental poison into tomorrow's physical body. Cleanse your mind to protect your flesh. Rule 5. Living in accordance with the seasons. The final and most encompassing rule of Buddhist health is the law of harmony. Modern technology allows us to live in a perpetual artificial summer. We keep our rooms at the exact same temperature all year long. We eat fruits out of season, and we expect our productivity to remain at peak levels 365 days a year. This separation from the Earth's natural cycles creates a deep, subconscious biological confusion. Your body is an organic child of this planet. It knows when the seasons change, and its internal hormones are designed to shift accordingly. Winter is a time for turning inward, eating warm, grounding foods, and sleeping longer hours. Summer is a time for outward expansion, lighter meals, and active movement. When you force your body to run at maximum speed during a season that demands rest, your immunity breaks down. Listen to the cues of nature. Eat what grows locally in this present month. Rest when the earth rests, and move when the earth moves. When you stop fighting the cosmic rhythm of the seasons, the universe stops fighting your physical health, and your body naturally returns to its state of effortless, timeless vitality. Your physical body is not your enemy. It is not an unfaithful machine that randomly breaks down to punish you. It is a highly intelligent, deeply loyal companion that has been doing everything in its power to keep you alive since the very first second you entered this world. Stop fighting it with worry. Stop suffocating it with digital noise. Implement these 5 ancient rules, return to the simple rhythms of nature, and watch how quickly your body rewires itself for absolute, natural health. Thank you for walking this path of physical and spiritual restoration with us today on Buddha Inner Journey. If this practical guide to natural health brought a sense of clarity or relief to your life, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to help our community grow. Leave a comment below to share your journey. Which of these 5 rules does your body need the most right now? May your body be healed. May your mind be a sanctuary. And may your inner journey bring you absolute, timeless peace.